Just imagine the sheer scale of data that is created in the design, the construction, and the operations phase. It makes infrastructure a prime area where AI can have the greatest impact. At Bentley, we've been investing in AI for years. We've recognized its potential early on. And we've implemented it successfully in use cases in asset operations, incorporating computer vision and machine learning. AI-driven insights allow operators to predict when maintenance is needed before failures occur. AI agents analyze digital twins of infrastructure assets, whether bridges or roads or dams or water networks, to identify issues and recommend preventive action, avoiding costly breakdowns and safety hazards. Take road maintenance as an example. We are using crowdsourced data, applying AI to it to identify issues before they escalate. No longer do we have to wait for a problem to arise. We can anticipate and address it before it disrupts traffic. But when we take a step back, AI has a huge potential in the design phase of the infrastructure lifecycle. AI can automate repetitive tasks, like documentation or annotations, to free up the engineers to focus on higher value activities. And AI can also act as a copilot, suggesting refinements to make the designs more effective, for example, more carbon efficient, and better suited for the future challenges. At the end of the day, AI's true power will be measured by its ability to improve outcomes. More sustainable designs, faster and safer builds, and more reliable infrastructure systems. As we look to the future, the possibilities seem endless. But to begin to understand what's possible tomorrow, we need to be clear on the state of the industry today.